Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature to Gmail step by step. Adding an email signature allows you to automatically include your name, contact information, company details, or other important information in every email you sent. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in Gmail, click the Settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the Quick Settings panel, click See All Settings. You'll now be taken to the General Settings page. Scroll down until you find the Signature section. Next, click Create New. A small window will appear asking you to enter a name for the signature. Type a name for the signature, such as Personal or Work, and then click Create. Your new signature will now appear in the Signature Editor. In the text box, enter the information you want to include in your signature. For example, you can add your name, job title, company name, phone number, website, or social media links. You can also use the formatting tools to change the font style, size, color, and alignment. If you'd like to add an image, such as a company logo, click the Insert Image icon and upload or select an image. Once you've finished designing your signature, scroll down to the Signature Defaults section. Choose your new signature for new emails, and if you want, for reply and forward emails as well. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Your signature will now automatically appear whenever you compose a new email in Gmail. And that's it. You've successfully added a signature to Gmail. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.